Every morning, thousands of oranges ripen in commercial groves across Florida and California. Today, we'll follow their journey from tree to table in less than 24 hours. Each tree produces up to 400 pounds of oranges per season. Workers inspect the fruit for perfect ripeness before harvest begins. Mechanical harvesters replace hundreds of hand pickers, dramatically increasing efficiency. These machines can process an entire grove in just days. Hydraulic clamps grip the trunk and vibrate at 300 cycles per minute. The force dislodges ripe fruit while leaving branches intact. Collection nets catch the falling oranges, preventing bruising and contamination. A single tree can yield 1,000 oranges in less than 2 minutes. Hydraulic lifts transfer the nets into massive transport bins. Each bin holds up to 900 pounds of fresh oranges. Trucks transport the harvest directly to processing facilities within hours. Speed is critical to preserve the fruit's natural sugars and vitamins. The processing plant receives 200 tons of oranges daily during peak season. Within minutes, the transformation from fruit to juice begins. Oranges cascade onto conveyors at a rate of 10 tons per hour. The factory operates 24/7 during harvest season. Workers perform the first manual inspection, removing damaged or underripe fruit. Quality control begins at this critical first stage. High-speed cameras scan 50 oranges per second, analyzing color, size, and surface defects. Pneumatic jets instantly reject imperfect fruit. Rotating brushes and high-pressure jets remove field dirt, pesticides, and debris. Food safety standards require multiple washing stages. Industrial air knives blast water off the fruit at 200 miles per hour. Proper drying prevents contamination in subsequent processing. Mechanical rollers separate oranges by diameter into 5 different size categories. Uniform sizing ensures consistent juice extraction. Quality inspectors perform a final check before extraction begins. Only perfect fruit advances to the juicing process. Robotic systems orient each orange vertically for optimal juice extraction. Precision positioning maximizes yield and minimizes waste. Scene 17. The facility operates 120 extraction heads processing 600 oranges per minute. This single factory produces 5 million gallons of juice annually. Sharp reaming blades cut into the orange while applying 2,000 psi of pressure. The process extracts juice while leaving bitter pith behind. 12 oranges are pressed simultaneously in perfect synchronization. Computer controls ensure identical extraction from every fruit. Vibrating screens remove pulp, seeds, and membrane fragments. The first filtration stage processes 3,000 gallons per hour. Centrifuges spinning at 6,000 RPM separate remaining solids from liquid. This clarification step improves juice appearance and shelf life. Membrane filters with 0.1 micron pores remove microscopic particles and bacteria. The juice emerges crystal clear and microbiologically stable. Freshly extracted juice flows into 50,000-gallon refrigerated tanks. Temperature is maintained at 35 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve freshness. To create frozen concentrate, water must be removed through evaporation. The process concentrates juice from 11% to 65% solids. 4 evaporation stages operate under vacuum at temperatures below 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Low temperature preserves vitamin C and natural flavor compounds. Before evaporation, essential oils and aromatic compounds are captured separately. These precious essences will be added back later. The concentrate reaches 65 degrees Brix, reducing volume by 85%. 1 gallon of concentrate will produce 6 gallons of finished juice. Concentrate is stored at -10 degrees Fahrenheit in massive refrigerated warehouses. This preservation method maintains quality for up to 2 years. Workers fill stainless steel drums with 450 pounds of frozen concentrate each. Some drums ship to bottlers, while others stay for reconstitution. To create ready-to-drink juice, concentrate is blended with purified water. Precise ratios restore the juice to its original strength. Industrial mixers spinning at 1,500 RPM blend concentrate and water uniformly. Perfect blending takes just 90 seconds. High-pressure homogenizers force juice through microscopic gaps at 3,000 psi. This process creates a smooth, uniform texture. Food safety requires heating juice to 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. This flash pasteurization kills harmful bacteria while preserving nutrients. Plate heat exchangers heat juice rapidly using steam and hot water. The short exposure time maintains fresh, squeezed flavor. Within seconds, juice temperature drops from 185 degrees Fahrenheit to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Rapid cooling prevents flavor degradation and vitamin loss. Pasteurized juice is held in sterile tanks under nitrogen atmosphere. This prevents oxidation and maintains peak freshness. Empty bottles are rinsed with sterile air and water. Cleanliness is critical in food packaging operations. Automated cameras inspect 600 bottles per minute for cracks or contamination. Defective bottles are instantly rejected. Bottles enter the 40-head rotary filler in perfect synchronization. Timing precision ensures zero spills or jams. Each bottle receives exactly 59 fluid ounces in 1.2 seconds. Volumetric accuracy is maintained within 0.1 ounces. Orange plastic caps are placed and aligned by vacuum pick-and-place systems. Cap orientation ensures tamper-evident seals function correctly. Spinning heads apply exactly 15 inch-pounds of torque to each cap. Proper sealing prevents leaks during shipping and storage. Inkjet printers mark each bottle with production date and batch codes. Traceability is required by food safety regulations. Pressure-sensitive labels wrap around spinning bottles at 400 per minute. Graphics display nutrition facts and brand information. Vision systems verify label position, orientation, and print quality. Imperfect labels trigger automatic rejection. Bottles are organized into groups of 12 for case packing. Proper spacing prevents damage during packaging. Flat cardboard blanks are transformed into boxes in 2 seconds. Hot melt glue secures bottom flaps instantly. Industrial robots gently place 12 bottles into each carton. Automation ensures consistent, damage-free packing. Pressure-sensitive tape secures top flaps, creating tamper-evident packaging. Sealed cases are ready for palletizing. Cases are arranged in interlocking patterns for maximum stability. Each pallet will hold 90 cases weighing 1,200 pounds. Robotic arms stack 6 layers with millimeter precision. Slip sheets between layers prevent shifting during transport. Clear plastic film wraps the pallet load, stretching 200% for tight securing. Proper wrapping prevents damage during shipping. Lab technicians test random samples for Brix, pH, and vitamin content. Every batch must meet strict quality specifications. Security scanners detect any metal contamination in finished products. Food safety is the industry's highest priority. Pallets enter refrigerated warehouses maintained at 35 degrees Fahrenheit. The cold chain preserves freshness until retail delivery. Refrigerated trucks maintain 36 degrees Fahrenheit during cross-country distribution. Temperature control is monitored continuously during transport. Trucks depart for supermarkets across the nation. This factory ships 2 million bottles weekly, from grove to grocery shelf in just 48 hours. Your morning orange juice is fresher than you ever imagined.